Aisha, what's for dinner today?
Vegetables.
Sabzi.
Yes, sabzi. That's the problem in Desi households, that we barely have vegetables. But aaj, I'm making keto vegetables. I am going to be making eggplant and zucchini baked. And trust me, he will love it, and so will you guys. So come along and I'll show you the recipe and show you how it looks in the end. Okay guys, it's ready and it looks marvelous. Look at that. I can't wait to dig in. Oh, it's so cheesy. Look at that. It's dripping. I've got both eggplant and zucchini. Too good. It's perfect. The flavors are so well balanced. I would highly recommend this to anyone who's basically over having meat, and this is a perfect vegetarian dish with all sorts of keto nutrients that you need. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe, and share the recipe that anyone would find helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.